guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing the bob brush challenge. I'm so excited. I really don't know how to paint. I've never taken art class, but we're going to try today. And Caleb likes to paint, so who better to collab with, you know, for this than him. So we're gonna get started. Before we start, I just want to mention that the video that we're gonna be doing is the view from Clear Creek, so let's just get started. That was very fun, but before we show you guys what it looks like, just know that we went our own direction because our canvas was way smaller than his. So this is Caleb's.
And yours?
And this is mine. I decided to close this and just make a lake. Ooh. But he decided just to keep this all open. He put a tree right there, but we didn't want to put a tree.
Nah, I like it like this. This is very
So let's
simple.
put our side by side. Let us know who's the one you like the most.
Speaking.
So, it better be mine because this is my channel. But anyways, I like them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a blessed week.